This is a paid partnership with Google. Have you guys ever gone through an entire day of eating a bunch of food only to realize that you've literally had 0 vegetables? I know I have, and for sure Nate has too. So we've been trying to incorporate vegetables into every meal with 0 effort. So today I'm gonna share my sneaky way of adding vegetables into your breakfast with a few simple tricks. I know a lot of you guys are trying to be healthier too, so I hope you find these tricks useful. For Arisy, my toddler, she's getting into this weird stage where she doesn't eat anything green in front of her, which is really unusual because she used to eat everything I give her. So of course now I have to think of really sneaky and interesting ways to get veggies in her. For example, I'll take leftover veggies from last night, like the steamed broccoli, and I'll chop it up really small, and this chopped vegetables will actually last me maybe 2 servings. I only use about 1 tablespoon or 2 per egg. So the idea is to add just enough in so that it's there, but she'll still eat the egg, not add so much in that she'll completely disregard the egg altogether. Scoop in about half into my bowl, crack my egg, scramble it up, and now we'll just cook the egg up into like an omelette style. I'll add a drizzle of olive oil, our egg, and then I'll add a dash of her favorite seasoning, tahini, on top. And there we have baby's breakfast. I have a little bit of strawberries, a piece of bagel with cream cheese, and our broccoli omelette. Okay, I gotta take a photo of this. If you guys follow me on social, you know that I post Arisy's food almost every morning. #BabyBrekkie. I took this with the Pixel 3 and it has the best image quality. You can never take a bad picture with this camera regardless of light. I also get unlimited storage since it's stored onto Google Photos, and so I never get those annoying notifications like you're running out of space, no more space. And trust me, I take thousands of photos. Yummy? Alright, so while she's eating her sneaky green omelette, I'm gonna move on to our next one. Is that okay? If you guys like baked goods in the morning, but don't want all the carbs or sugar in your traditional muffin, what if I told you we can make a really delicious muffin with zucchini? We're making it paleo, and we're gonna use a blender for a quick and easy approach. So in my blender, I'm gonna add 1 grated zucchini, so about half a cup of zucchini, 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of almond milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 eggs. I'll blend it up. And voila, that's our muffin batter. Any loose piece of almond flour that didn't get incorporated, just get a spatula and mix it in. Now in my baking pan that I've already lined with some parchment paper cups, I'll just pour the batter about 3/4 of the way full. I'll wipe off any excess that spilled over in the pan. And now I'll bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. Speaking of which, let's have my trusty assistant turn on the timer. And no, it's not Arisy. Hey Google, turn the timer on for 15 minutes.
Sure, 15 minutes. Starting now.
All right, Cece, it's time to go take a nap. All right. I finally put her down, and hopefully she sleeps this time. Anyways, my Google Assistant always has my back. When I'm in the kitchen, I ask her to pull up recipes, and when I'm on the go and traveling, I always ask her for the traffic or weather. Looks like it's gonna rain today, so let me check with her. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Los Angeles, there will be showers with a forecasted high of 56 and a low of 46. Currently, it's 55 and mostly cloudy.
Hey Google, is it gonna rain today?
Yes, it will rain this afternoon.
I guess I'm staying in. All right, it's done. There's even a countdown. Sweet. Let's get our muffins. Our muffins remind me of like matcha muffins. They're nice and green and they're so soft. I've let them cool completely, so I'm gonna break one open and show you guys. Wow! Isn't it awesome? It's nice and fluffy. You get that muffiny texture from the eggs and the almond flour, but it's packed with almost a whole zucchini in here. Let's give it a try. Now this is something I can feel good about snacking on. So if you enjoy having a breakfast sandwich or breakfast wrap, a lot of times they're just ham, eggs, and cheese. So why not add just a handful of spinach or super greens here? There's spinach, kale, chard. Wrap it up, and bam! All the good nutrients for you for early in the morning. You get a full array of colors and a handful of veggies in here. Now this is what I call a sneaky breakfast sandwich or wrap. So the next sneaky way is adding neutral veggies into your smoothies. Smoothies are wonderful, but a lot of times they're packed with a ton of sugar and not a lot of veggies. I love adding neutral vegetables like spinach, avocado, and frozen cauliflower rice into my smoothie. Cauliflower rice is already frozen, so it makes it nice and cold. Then I'll add some strawberries, half a banana, a clementine to sweeten it up, and some almond milk. In this smoothie, I'll call it the farmer's market. Now, are you guys team green smoothie or team green juice? Personally, I like a smoothie because it has all the fiber, it's nice and creamy, and it's cold. Comment below and let me know. But in the meantime, let's give this a try. If you guys have ever had a Vietnamese avocado milkshake, this is it reminds me so much of it without the condensed milk though, because you have the natural sweetness in there. It's delicious. The avocado makes it nice and creamy along with the bananas. And then the cauliflower, like I said, made it nice and cold, but it's so neutral that you can't even tell it's in there. Oh, this is so good. So tell me guys, what did you think of our sneaky ways of incorporating veggies into our breakfast? They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not start it on the right foot, the right healthy foot? Also tell me which of these recipes you would try and if you have other clever ways of sneaking veggies into your meals for lunch or even for dinner. Thank you so much to Google for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see more healthy ideas, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification button. If you want to see more daily updates, don't forget to follow me on social. I'll leave the links in the description box below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!